My name is Preeti Singh. She's Rekha Vishwakarma and she's H3 Ora. Our project is on mobile healthcare system using near field communication. Our guide name is Mrs. Megha Rani Patil.
Mobile application on mobile healthcare system using NFC technology. We have to enter the doctor's ID and password into it. This is the NFC card. We have to tap this card behind the cell phone. When we tap, the complete patient details, doctor details are visible. When we click next, there are various tabs into it like prescription history, new prescription test reports. If you want to add a new prescription, we can add the symptoms of the patient as well as the prescription like which medicines to subscribe. Now when I save this history, I can see the previous history into prescription history. Now it comes as date wise. So this is the details I have entered just now. Okay, when I go to home next, you can also see the test reports. There are three kinds of tests: blood test, urine test, and stool test. If I click into blood test, these are the details which are stored on the server side, and we can see this details with the help of the NFC card. This shows how mobile application is linked to the web application using web services. Now we will see about the web application.
This is the admin page. In this, username is admin and password is This is the home page of admin. In this, we can manage doctor, manage patient, and manage appointment and manage test. In manage doctor, in this we can add new doctor. Suppose doctor name and date of joining is 13 and
So in this way you can enter all the details, and this will be visible over here